Hello, my dear children. I hope you all are fit and fine and healthy at home. Yes, I'm sure you all are. Well, children, are you surprised to hear me in this way? Well, don't be. As you all know, my dear children, our world is facing a very difficult situation nowadays due to the deadly coronavirus. So, we all are locked down in the house and you all cannot attend school, isn't it? But as you all know, that studies should go on, whatever the situation may be. So I am, your Polomi ma'am is here to guide you and teach you about computer. Today I shall be starting with chapter 1, which is computer, a working device. So let's get started, my dear children, without further delay. Children, first learning about computers, let us know what is a machine. Okay? Do you all have any idea what is a machine? Okay, let me give you some facts about what a machine is. Do you know? Simple machines have been used by humans for thousands of years. Many years back, people actually invented wheel, which was the first machine developed by us, the human being. So it was developed so that it could be useful for them. So anything which is developed to make our work easy is a machine. Or we can say a machine is something that makes our work easier. Do you know we can see different types of machines around us? I think you all know. You have all seen different types of machine around you, isn't it? And one more important fact is that a machine is created by humans, isn't it? So these are the little facts you should know about machines. Now let us know about the machines that human beings have created. Here are the examples of few machines that we have created for our help. In this slide you can see the picture of a pen. Are you surprised to see? Well, don't be. A pen is also a machine because it helps us to write. What do you see in this picture, children? Do you all know what it is? Yes, I think you all know. It is a fan, and it is such an important machine for all of us. Can you imagine a hot summer day without a fan? It is just impossible to imagine such a day. And that is why it is very important machine for all of us, because it gives us cool air. What do you see in this picture, children? Yes, you have guessed right. These are lights and bulbs. And I think it is a very important invention and a very important machine for all of us. Why? Obviously, because it gives us light. And can you just imagine any evening without light? We can't imagine even one single evening without light. It is such an important machine for all of us nowadays. How would you study? Just imagine without these lights. So that is why these are very important for all of us. See, children, this is a picture of a radio which provides real-time information and the most recent updates to the listeners. I think you've all understood from this picture. Yes, it is a television and it is a source of information or communication, and it plays a very important role in everyone's life.
I think I don't even have to say what the picture is all about. Yes, this is a picture of a car which all of you are fond of. And why? Because it helps us to go to our desired places and within exact time. It moves very fast from one place to another and saves our time. That is why car nowadays have become one of the most important machines that we use. See, again, one of your most favorite machines, the refrigerator. Why favorite? I'm sure because you all must be enjoying the creamy ice creams, the cold drinks, and all the desserts that your mummy must be keeping in the fridge. So whenever you want to use them, you can use. It is only because the fridge helps us to keep our food fresh for days, and we enjoy all these delicious things whenever we like. During the hot summer, we enjoy the cold drinks, the ice creams, and whenever you want to have delicious food, your mummy can make this food with the help of the fresh vegetables that is stored in the refrigerator. So that's why this refrigerator is also a very important machine for all of us nowadays. Yes, now comes your favorite machine, the mobile phone, isn't it? This machine is one of the favorites of everyone, not only children, but for all. Everyone will carry a mobile phone in their hand nowadays. It has become compulsory. Why not? Because it is such an important invention made by man. We can do a lot of work with the help of mobile phone. We can be connected to each other with the help of mobile phone. We can do a lot of other works also with the help of internet facility that we have in the mobile phone. And we can take pictures, we can shoot videos, and also we can listen to music, we can watch movies, what not. It is just like our pocket computer, small computer that we always carry with us. So mobile phone nowadays is the favorite machine and the best machine that has been invented by us. Okay children, now let us know what is a computer. If I want to define it in very simple sentence, I can say a computer is a very useful machine. It makes our work easier. Now can you see the picture over here? It is a picture of a computer system which comprises of the monitor, the keyboard, the CPU, the mouse, and the two speakers. This whole system is called the computer system. Now, let us know more about computers. A computer is a device for working with information. The information can be numbers, words, pictures, movies, or sounds. Computer information is called data. So what is data? As I said just now, computer information is called data. Computer can process huge amounts of data very quickly, and that is a very vital point. Why do we use a computer? They also store and display this data. So it has a very big storing capacity. We use computers every day in many places, such as at school, at home, and many more. Computers are also used in factories. They are also used to make different things like cards, and we will get to know the uses of computer in the later part of the video. People also use computers for sending email, writing reports, shopping, banking, listening to music, and playing games. And nowadays, the internet, which is a huge network of linked computers, is an important part of a computer system. It provides us information from all over the world. So let us know about the uses of computer now. As I've just discussed that a computer can be used in various ways. I shall be discussing this in the slides that you will see later in this video. Okay children, now let us know how a computer is used. The first one is computer is used to draw beautiful pictures. We can do this with the different softwares. Some of the softwares are already installed in our computer, in the Windows operating system, or few softwares we have to install it for advanced drawing. The most commonly used software to draw a picture is Microsoft Paint, which is a simple graphic program to draw pictures on screen and then paint them with different colors. With the advanced feature of Paint, we can draw advanced drawings and graphical drawings. And if we want to have some very nice pictures or drawings done, some animated films done, we can do that with the help of some advanced softwares like Photoshop. See in the picture children, we can use computers to make beautiful cards and get them printed also. With the advanced softwares, we can also draw and paint beautiful drawings inside the cards also. You can see we have drawn beautiful pictures over here like Merry Christmas, Happy Birthdays, or congratulations. Different type of cards we can make with the help of computers. Now children, this one is very interesting for all of us, and this is one of the feature which is liked by all. This is the feature of watching movies with the help of computers. We can watch movies and children can watch cartoons and enjoy them through computers. If we have leisure time, we can use computer to do these things and enjoy during our holidays. This is also one of the favorite feature of the computer. A computer is also used to listen to nice music, melodious songs. Whenever we have some free time, we can enjoy music with the help of computers. And we can also hear music with some advanced softwares also which are installed in our computers. See children, this is also a very important feature of the computer. We can do a lot of sums with the help of computer. It can solve sums within seconds and solve critical mathematical problems very fast, because it has a very fast working CPU, which is the brain of the computer, which helps the computer to solve complex calculations very easily. So we can see that computer can solve the sums very fast within fraction of seconds. Dear children, see this important and interesting fact about computer.
I think you all know that computer is used to book railway tickets, flights, as well as bus tickets. And this is a very, very important use of computer nowadays. In our busy schedule, where we don't have any time to go and make line and give our precious time to book the tickets in the railway counters or for booking flights, we can do easily all this thing in our home only, sitting in our home. With just a mouse click, we can book our tickets with the help of computers in our home, and we can get confirmed tickets within fraction of seconds. As you all know, children, we can also do bank transactions with the help of computer. And it is a very, very important facility that allows us to sit in our home and do the bank transactions. This is only possible with the help of computer, and that is why it is of such a help to all of us. Yes, now the best of all, computer can be used to play games. As you can see, these two children in the picture, they are playing games, busy in that, totally engrossed in doing so. Like them, you all also, I think, love to play games with the help of computer. Though it is very true that we should not play so much of games with the help of computer, because that can harm our eyes. So there should be a limit of this, but still kids nowadays enjoy, and this is how they can spend time in there. Whenever they're having some free time, they can use this various types of applications to play games. We have some installed games in the computer, as well as we can also install other games outside from other sources also, and thus this remains the favorite of all times for the children. And why only children? For others also, for us also, we also, whenever we get some free time, we can play games with the help of computer. So children, now we have come to an end of this video. I hope you have liked it, and I hope that you have understood each and every portion that I have taught in this video. I think you have understood about the different machines, what is a machine, why computer is useful to us, and the different ways in which it is used in our daily lives. And now what is your task? Your task is to solve the worksheet that will be given shortly to you, and please do it yourself, and please wait for my upcoming video. Bye bye for now. Stay well, keep fit, and stay tuned.